Vindicated and victorious, the Democratic Alliance has described the High Court ruling as a victory for freedom of speech and for the truth about Nkandla.
I think today is a historic day for us. It's very clear what the judge put out there today is that in the Public Protector's report uses words like maladministration, it uses words like license to loot. It's become very clear that President Zuma must come and answer both for a case of impeachment and also for a case criminally in this particular matter.
The ANC said it would study the judgment and explore further options available to it. The party said it appeared as though the judge had erred in applying laws of defamation to a matter governed by electoral laws.
We will be consulting with our lawyers and they will be looking at what options are available. We know, having taken an electoral matter to a high court, the obvious court of appeal is the electoral court itself. Now, we believe that the electoral court might not take the electoral law and put it aside, as it has happened here. But that is a decision that can only be taken by the leadership of the African National Congress, whether they want to appeal this or they don't want to appeal this.
The ANC said it was regrettable that some political parties would construe the court judgment as a license to peddle lies for political gain.
Yes, it's bad. In our view, the judgment here gives everybody a right to falsely accuse anyone. The judgment here gives anybody who's participating in these elections a right to rubbish anyone who's participating in these elections. And by so doing, this court judgment puts aside the Electoral Act. It puts aside the code of conduct regulations that are derived from this act. Very unfortunate.
The DA has also laid 8 charges of corruption against President Zuma and is confident that prosecuting authorities will investigate the matter.
The facts remain. There was maladministration in Nkandla. We can't be living in a country where President Zuma's cattle have got better living conditions than the people of Gauteng. It's a crime. So President Zuma must account for it and come and explain to the people of this country.
A High Court ruling against South Africa's ruling party with just 5 weeks to go to the country's general election, and a judgment which is likely to have a huge impact on South Africa's political landscape during the election period and beyond. Renadal Calm, CCTV, Johannesburg.